Welcome everybody back to another Pack Gambler break. This one here, we're going to do some Topps Chrome. So we're going to have 4 breaks. I got 4 boxes, hobby boxes there. So again, like always, thanks again to our followers on Twitter, following us at our Twitter handle, Pack Gambler. And also on our Facebook page, and of course on our Blogspot page. So thank you all for continuing to support us. We are very close to 200 followers now. So the sooner we get to that, we are going to have another follower giveaway, which is just like our 100th, but this is going to be something special, even more than the last one. So why don't we start with box number 1 here. So Topps Chrome hobby box. You might have seen the picture that I posted today on Twitter of the 4. I've been dying to open these up. I'm very, very excited about this product. Lots of cool stuff in this, as always. 2 autographs, the die cuts this year, and of course the hot boxes. So I will open up these 4, and then I will post the videos on YouTube. And then I'm going to do a review on Blogspot. And then, of course, we are going to have a gambler giveaway. Don't know what it's going to be yet, but we'll figure something out after this. Alright, so box number 1. Let's start with pack number 1 here. So again, 24 packs per box. 4 cards per pack. Okay, so I already know that I did not get a hot box, because every hot box if you did receive one, every card in the hot box will be a parallel. But I did start off with something decent. So Matt Moore, rookie. Lucas Duda, X-Fractor. Zach Cosart, and Michael Morse. I'll try to get through each one of these as we go along. Ichiro, base. Addison Reed, base, rookie. Mark Reynolds, and there he is, Mr. Harper, base, rookie. Nice card. So it's our first Harper in 4 boxes. We'll have a tally to see how many we get here. Derek Holland, Jeremy Hellickson, Refractor, Chris Davis, and Jason Kipnis. Not liking these packs too much to start off with, but whatever. That's what's inside that counts. Eric Surkamp, rookie, base. Oh, and right after that, look at that. So you got a sepia. And those are numbered out of 75 this year. Last year they were 99. So not bad. Chris Sale and Sean Markham. Verlander, Neuenhuis, Jason Worth, and Leonis Martin, rookie base. Ian Kisler, Alex Gordon, Jesus Montero, Refractor, rookie. And possible MVP, McCutcheon. Ramirez. Matt Cain, base. And we got a Carlos Beltran. And that's just a refractor. That looks really nice. I thought it was an atomic, but it's not. I think it's just a refractor. Buster Posey. Rookie Jordan Picho, Cole Hamels, Von Nova, Dan Ugla. Ferdowitz. Oh, there's Chipper Refractor. Yeah, Refractor. You know what? Now I'm thinking about that, Carlos Beltran is going to be an X-Fractor. That one's an X-Fractor. Robinson Cano, Carlos Gonzalez. So no auto yet, and no die cut either. I'm waiting to see the die cuts. I'm really excited about those. Those look really cool from the sell sheets and what I've seen online so far. Hanley, Jared Weaver, David Price, James Donald. Chassin, Justin Upton. Oh, we got our first autograph. Matt Dominguez autograph. Just a base. I don't know if you can see or not on the screen, but on the video it's not really showing very clear, but at the top there it looks like there's some manufacturer scratches on the card itself. So that's not very good because they are noticeable. I might send that one back, who knows. Mikey Vilas. So one auto down, one to go. Again, you can get veterans in this, Mike Garza, but they are numbered to 25 or less, so might be kind of hard. Torrey Hunter. Jacob Turner. I think he's starting tonight, first time. I'm pretty sure. Refractor. And Jake Peavy. 2 rows to go. So also in this product you can get uncut sheet redemption, as well as some other autographs. Trumbo, base, Josh Beckett. There's another X-Fractor. These things keep coming up. Matt Latos, X-Fractor. Howie Kendrick. There's also some redemptions for, I know Harper has a redemption for, I think, his different color parallel autographs. But I know the base you can get in the pack. Johnny Cueto, Lucas Duda, Andre Ethier, R.A. Dickey. This is certainly a product that you do not want to buy by the pack. You want to buy the box. Especially these, as you can see, because you only get 4 cards per pack. Kyle Blanks. Get a Freddie Freeman Refractor. BJ Upton. Justin Marneau. Mike Moustakas. Okay, now here's one of the die cuts. I'll show that last, actually. Niger Morgan and Colin Cowgill, rookie. So here's the die cut. These are very, very nice. David Ortiz die cut. It is a really nice die cut. It's somewhat similar to the cutting edge that they had for Platinum. Very, very nice. These ones you can actually get in autographed as well. So they're not numbered. Only the autographed ones are, but they are a sharp card. Very sharp. Really nice. And those are going to be there's going to be a set of 50 of those, so it would be an awesome set to see displayed for sure if somebody has one. Ryan Braun. There's our other auto. I'll put that to the back for now. David Freese. Bumgardner. And our second auto, which is a refractor, is Willie Peralta. Nice auto. It covers the whole bottom of the card. Not bad. And this one's numbered out of 499. It's not a bad one, and it does not... Yeah, this one's a lot better from what I've seen. Yeah, no issues with this card compared to the other one that we had with the Dominguez. So that's not bad. Refractor auto. So we got our 2 autos. We got our die cut. So now the rest should just be base, and maybe a nice color refractor would be cool. Dustin Ackley. Alex Rodriguez. Here's a refractor. Irving Fowl. And Miguel Montero. A few packs left. Derek Jeter. Johnny Cueto, X-Fractor. Yonder Alonso and Willie Peralta. So we got a color in this one. I'll move to the back. Matt Dominguez, rookie. So a much different picture than the autographed one, as you can tell, the difference. Ryan Howard, Ian Kennedy, and Kirk Neuenhuis. Gold. I believe these are out of 50. Yes, this is out of 50. We got Austin Romaine, rookie. Ricky Romero, refractor. Mike Davis. Oops. And Evan Longoria. 3 packs left. Let's see if we can get another color out of here, or a decent rookie. Oh, we did get another color. Zach Greinke, Carlos Santana, Tom Malone, and another Met, David Wright, blue refractor. These ones are numbered out of 199. Ellsbury, Jamal Weeks, Jimenez, and Drew Stubbs, base. And our last and final pack of box number 1. We got John Lester, Josh Johnson, Ikuwama, rookie. And our refractor on this one is Alan Craig. So not bad, first box. Not too bad at all. Seems like we got a lot of color, we got a lot of parallels. Our autographs again were Willie Peralta and our Matt Dominguez. Where is he? There he is. So these were our 2 autos again. The Peralta was a refractor. The Matt Dominguez was just the regular, but it does have some scratches at the top. Hopefully the other boxes don't have that. And we will see. And again, the die cut is a David Ortiz. So very nice. So that was box 1. Box 2 coming up. Thanks for watching, and remember to follow us on Twitter at Pack Gambler, as well as our blog spot at packgambler.blogspot.ca. Thanks for joining. See you in a bit.